Hello nail friend, I am so happy to have you here. Hope you are having a wonderful day. And welcome to the Baby Boomer video. Oh yes, it is happening. It is happening now. And we're gonna do it with the new Jimmygel colors from Elegance. You do not want to miss this. So let's get to it. Starting out with a clear set, and yes, these are my nails. What do you know? They have already been prepped and I have added tack to the nail bed just to make sure that the Jimmygel will last a little bit longer. Here I am applying my form and we're gonna move straight onto the natural Jimmygel. And this is based out of, well, the natural color that Elegance used for the natural fiber. So of course, we are going to start out with our extension using the natural Jimmygel. And you do this in this exact same way as you would with a normal extension. So we are actually going to flash cure that extension for just a little bit and then pinch it to get a deeper, nicer C-curve, and then cure. And then I just went in with another layer of that same natural, going from the cuticle all the way down to the free edge. Going in and shaping the extension using here the finish file. Love the finish file. It is absolutely amazing. So easy to work with. And what I do here is that I am thinning out that tip. Super important. It's gonna make the world of a difference later. So moving on to the Boomer White. So yeah, you can tell that this is gonna be a great white for baby boomers, of course. We are gonna apply that to about half of the nail and then just very carefully flick that back towards the cuticle area. Don't go all the way back. Try as best as you can to keep the, I would say, back third of the nail completely free from any type of white. And then you can go ahead and cure. Now moving on to the second layer, we're going to do the exact same thing. But now I'm going to give you a little bonus trick. If you feel like it was difficult to blend, then just take a dry wipe without cleanser and just wipe the excess gel off the brush and then go in and fade it back. It makes it so much easier. Moving on to Ideal Pink. And this is actually an optional step, but I want to show you this so that you can see how to create a stronger contrast. So starting from the cuticle area, going very carefully down and blend it at maybe like half the way down onto the nail, something like that, and then you can go ahead and cure. Make sure that you do this very thin though. Moving on to soft pink, and this is where we just mush everything that we just did together. So starting out with my slip layer covering the entire nail, and then we're going to take a blob of our amazing soft pink starting at the cuticle area and then working our way down. So now we are building the structure and the thickness and the strength of the nail. Go ahead and cure and check out your beautiful work so far and cleanse. Now, I have another little trick for you. So we're gonna go in and shape this. I would do this either way. So if you do the next step, I would definitely go in and shape because I am like that. I want to have everything perfect. But sometimes when you shape it, you could end up filing through some color, some white, some pink. So what I do here is I take the Ideal Pink once again, and then I just basically cover up any imperfections that I might have, starting from the cuticle, working my way down and blending it to maybe half the nail. So I'm doing basically the exact same thing as we did before using the Ideal Pink. And then you want to cleanse it and buff it so that you have a nice smooth surface. Once you are ready, you can go in with your super shiny and cure. So one thing I want to point out here is that basically all of these steps are optional. I mean, of course, you need to add some white and you need to add some pink, but you don't necessarily have to use all the steps. You can try it your own way, and it really also depends on like the client, what look you're going for, etc. But I just wanted to show you like every single trick that I could come up with so that you have everything gathered under, you know, the same tutorial, and then you can just pick and choose the stuff that you like. But yeah, that was pretty much it. And here you have the final result. Love this look. I love the colors together. They are fantastic. I would say if you are thinking about getting one or two, or like contemplating like, should I get all of them? Take it from me. Yeah, get them all. You're gonna need them all. They're fantastic together. So easy, so much fun to work with. So it's a definite yes for me. These colors are available now, and you can find them at lightelegance.com, and that's also where you can find your closest distributor. Make sure to tag me and Light Elegance in your post if you try this technique out, and I will see you next time. Bye!